Creamy Tomato Basil Pasta. Welcome back to CharmingCookery, where we're dedicated to bringing you culinary delights that will tantalize your taste buds. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a classic favorite, creamy tomato basil pasta. Ingredients, display them visually in the video. Penne or your favorite pasta. Ripe tomatoes. Fresh basil leaves. Garlic cloves. Heavy cream. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional for garnish. Cooking steps, with visuals. Start by boiling a pot of salted water and cooking your pasta until it's perfectly al dente. In a separate pan, heat olive oil and sauté minced garlic until it's fragrant. Add diced ripe tomatoes and let them simmer until they're soft and juicy. Now, add a generous handful of fresh basil leaves and stir them in. Pour in some heavy cream, stirring gently to create that luxurious creamy tomato sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drain your cooked pasta and add it to the luscious tomato basil sauce. Give it all a good toss to coat the pasta evenly. Show your creamy tomato basil pasta beautifully plated, garnished with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and delightful aroma. Tips and variations. Share some pro tips, like using fresh, ripe tomatoes for the best flavor. Suggest variations, such as adding grilled chicken or sautéed shrimp for a protein boost. So, whether you're cooking for a special occasion or simply satisfying your cravings, our creamy tomato basil pasta is a delightful choice. Join us in the kitchen as we bring this Italian classic to life. Thank you for joining us in the CharmingCookery kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!